In this video, we'll show you how to make a macrame wristlet. Use Ravenox cord to make this purse accessory, personalize your backpack, or help you find your keys quickly. For your project, you will need a hardware with a loop. We use a 3/8 inch solid brass snap and macrame cord, single strand or 3-strand twisted. Both are available on our website, ravenox.com. Your inner cord needs to be approximately 18 inches at the fold on the right side. Put your cord through the D-ring, pull the loop, and pull through. The cord to the left will be approximately 65 to 70 inches. Using the second longer cord, fold the cord, leaving 18 inches long to the left. The right cord is approximately 65 inches long. Both of your inner cords should be 18 inches long, and the outer cord should be 65 to 70 inches. The next knot is the square knot. Start approximately 1 inch below the ring. In making your first square knot, you're going to take the left cord, cross it over the 2 middle cords. Take the right cord, go under the left cord into the left loop. Now to finish your square knot, you're going to take the right cord, cross it over the 2 middle cord. Take the left cord, go under the right cord and into the right loop. And now you're going to repeat. One of the most common questions that I get asked is, if I get lost, where do I start, the right cord or the left? If you can see in this view, the bar to the square knot is to the right. That tells me that I need to start to cross that cord, the working cord, over to the opposite side. You're going to continue with your square knots until you get approximately 25 bars on the left. You're now going to fold your wristlet and take all 4 cords and pull it through the D-ring. Now we're going to knot what's called a gathering knot. Make sure that it's the length that you want with what you have, and then get the shorter cord, which is approximately 19 inches. With the shorter cord, hold it up to the keychain and use your middle finger to make a loop. Cross the cord over to the left, Go behind and continue to twist your cord as you wrap it. Once you get your first wrap, you can let go of the loop, hold it tight, and freely wrap until you have covered the 1 inch that you had left. Take the end of the working cord. You're going to put it in the loop that you created with your middle finger. Pull it through. And what you're going to do now is you're going to take the top cord that's sticking out and you're going to pull it through to tighten your gathering knot. Go ahead and trim your ends. Tuck them in if they are poking out a little. Turn it around. Go ahead and also trim the 4 cords that you're working with. You can also tuck that in if it's poking out. And there you have it, your do-it-yourself macrame wristlet. Thank you for watching. Just another way to make a one-of-a-kind creation. Don't see the color you need? Cotton cord can be easily dyed to any color. Check out our blog for dyeing techniques at ravenox.com.